Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker. This countertop ice maker boasts lightning-fast ice production, a full batch in just 6 minutes. That's way faster than most others. It makes up to 33 pounds of ice per day, perfect for parties or just keeping your drinks cool. But it's not just speed. The Silonn produces chewable nugget ice, ideal for smoothies, cocktails, or just enjoying on its own. The texture is uniquely satisfying, unlike regular ice cubes. Cleaning is a breeze too, thanks to its removable cover and automatic self-cleaning function. Just hold the ice/clean button for 5 seconds. And despite its power, this ice maker operates quietly, so you can enjoy ice without the noise. Plus, it's compact and portable, measuring just 11.3 inches width by 8.66 inches dx 12.68 inches height. Perfect for your home, office, or even taking along to parties. Indicator lights let you know when the water is low or the ice basket is full. Don't forget to check the dimensions to make sure it fits your space. So, if you're looking for a fast, quiet, and convenient way to enjoy delicious nugget ice, the Silonn Ice Maker might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product reviews.